Hey, this is Jim Troth, Habitation Investigation, doing a home inspection today, and in this bathroom, notice there's no outlet, which is kind of important to some people. And there was a medicine cabinet that was up on the wall. Sometimes there's outlets up inside the medicine cabinet, up on the back side of it. So anyway, so I opened this up, didn't pull hard at all, and it came out. But good thing it did, because there's wire splices just shoved back between on that edge there. So it definitely, look at me, some mouse droppings there as well. So yeah, definitely not proper wiring. Discovered all because they never secured their stuff correctly in the first place. Anyway, enjoy. Bye-bye. Make sure you have good house flippers. Bye.